Before we run the root phrase through the spider, I want to just show you a few of the settings, in particular the file lists and the Google settings. If you go to settings and then lists, it brings up this screen. Over here on the left, it's got Google data centers. If yours isn't there, you can add it. Okay, so it's quite simple. You can just add Google dot, what haven't we got there? Okay, Google.France. And then once you save and close, then you'll find that your Google data center is found in that list. So that's the Google settings. The ignore list, obviously we're dealing with words on pages and it's the words that are important, but not all words are important, and some words and some characters appear on web pages and can make the results look a little bit messy. So we've got this ignore list here, and these are the words that are basically ignored. In other words, let's take an example. This word here may appear on all 10 of the top 10 pages, but it's not an important word. We want to ignore it. And the same goes for everything else on this list. You are free to edit this list, to add to it. Just remember to save and close at the end and it will be saved. Okay, so that list is already comprehensive and it's quite good. But if you find other words or symbols or anything else that are appearing in your results that you don't want, just add them there. Save and close and you're ready to start using the spider. One final ignore list, and this is a temporary ignore list that you can see on the spider screen. This is a list of things you want to ignore in the domains that are being pulled back. So for example, I don't want Facebook pages to appear in the results. I don't think Facebook pages actually are very well themed. I don't think that they are going to add to the theme words for a particular topic. Same about YouTube. I don't think YouTube is great. You might think YouTube's good and you might want to include it, so you can delete that if you want to. And whoops, just undo that. There we go. Amazon is another example. I don't think Amazon is a great page for finding theme words. I think Amazon results, in fact, Facebook, YouTube, Amazon and Pinterest don't really rank because of the words on the page. They rank because of the massive authority that those websites have. So I like to exclude them from the spidering results. So when I put in a root phrase and I click on spider, if Facebook, YouTube, Amazon or Pinterest appear in the list of the top 10, then they will be ignored, and then the page rank number 11, 12 and so on will then be used instead. So it will be the top 10 ranked pages excluding Facebook, YouTube, Amazon and Pinterest. As I said, you might find other web pages that you want to include in there to exclude. So that's the ignore list. That's the Google settings. You're now ready to enter your root phrase and spider Google.